Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss the triangle and its properties. Here you see the introduction of a triangle and its properties. A triangle you have seen is a simple closed curve made of three line segments. It has three vertices A, B and C, three sides AB, BC, CA and three angles, angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CB, CAB. These are the different sides. Here you see sides is AB, BC, CA, angles angle BAC, angle ABC, angle BCA and vertices are A, B, C. The sides opposite to the vertex A, the side opposite to the vertex A is BC, the side opposite to vertex C is AB, the side opposite to the vertex B is AC. Right? These are various opposites of vertex. Right? You know how to classify triangle based on the sides and triangles. So you know that based on sides it is a scalene triangle, that means all the sides are unequal. Isosceles triangle, that is the triangle having two sides equal, and equilateral triangle, that means all the sides of the triangle are equal. And based on angles we have acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangles. Acute angle triangles means all the angles are acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle is one of the angle of the triangle is more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle triangle. A right angle triangle is the triangle in which one of the angle is right angle, that is 90 degree. Right? Now we know all this. Right? Here are some triangles you are seeing and the various measurement. Right? Various measurement. Now look at figure 6.2 and classify each of the triangles according to its sides and angles. Right? Here you see two sides are equal. Here is this side and this side. Right? And one side is 5 centimeter. This is isosceles triangle. And here you see this is isosceles triangle. This one you see 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter. All the sides are unequal. And this is 90 degree. It is a right angle triangle. Here you see this is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Both the sides are equal. That is isosceles triangle. Here you see all the sides are equal. 5.2, 5. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, right? And here you see there are two sides are same. Then you can say that it is isosceles triangle, or you can say it according to angle it is obtuse angle triangle. Here it is right angle triangle, and it is according to side it is isosceles triangle, right? Now before that we know the median. What is the median? We have to know the what is the median of the triangle. Median, the line segment AD joining the midpoint BC to its opposite vertex A is called the median of the triangle. Suppose this is the BC. If we find the point D as the midpoint of BC and join point A with point D, that is called the median, right? There is a median connects a vertex to of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? You have to remember this one. The median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. How many medians can a triangle have? Here you see this can there are three medians of a triangle, right? Three medians, right? Does a median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle? Can you think that is that this is not true? Draw a figure to show such a case, right? Median, right? Median may be inside the triangle or on the triangle or outside the triangle, right? Now altitudes. Here is the altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes means here you see the altitude definition value. The line segment AL is an altitude of the triangle. An altitude has one end point at a vertex of the triangle and the other on the line contouring the opposite side. Through each vertex an altitude can be drawn. Through each vertex an altitude can be drawn. Right? How many altitudes can a triangle have? We know that there may be three triangles, three altitudes. A triangle have three altitudes. The rough sketches of altitude from A to BC for the following triangles. You have to make at the altitudes of the triangle, right? Will an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? If you think that this need not be true, draw a rough sketch to show such a case. Can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of a triangle are two of its sides? Yes. In right angle triangle, you can see that two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Can the altitude and median be same for a triangle? Yes, it may be some same in some cases, right? Now, here it is given some activities, that is take several cutouts of an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle. Find the altitudes and medians. Do you find anything special about them? Discuss it with your friends. Next one is what you find. That means here what you have discussed, that is two things. One is median. About triangles, that is triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. And about median, what is that median? That is a median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? And third is altitude. Altitude, what is that altitude? The height, right? That is height means perpendicular distance, right? And altitude has one end at a vertex of the triangle and the other on the line containing the opposite side, that is an altitude. That means this side AL, right? AL is always perpendicular to BC, right? You remember this one, and this height is the height of the triangle, and that is known as altitude of the triangle, right? Now we'll discuss the exercises 6.1 in the next video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.